Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this for a fashion advertisement, a brand story or collection, launch or YouTube review, but the desired tones, agent, more emotions, storytelling, usually are friendly, informative. Don't you want the scripts in English, Arabic, or another language? Once you found, choose this detail. I can write the limited long form beauty verse with following descriptive long paragraph perfect for nations. They are short, simple to show this time bad. You can tell me if this in the tone you want. In a word, awareness, meet emotions, and try to tell a story. Undress is not designed, it's a dream, stitches into reality, crafted for the women who walk with grace. The Mimar dress follow with every heartbeat catching, tight catching eyes, and catching moment. It's a fabric, confidence, it's individually, and it's a sense of refined, timeless beauty. There are moments in life when beauty parents when it comes feeling oppressions or reflection of the soul. Memories is born from that belief. It is not simply fabric concept. It is poetry wounds into emotion, a conversation between art and identity. In every curve, every fold, every subtle shimmer, tell a story of grace that cannot be imitated. Only for designed for the woman who carries her dreams like jewels and something like silk. The Himalayan dress is more than a garment. It's an emotion stitches into form. When the designer first the more dress they did not think of trend or season. They thought of legacy. They imagined how fabric could become architectures, how lines could shape confidence, and how color could express. The begin not with scissor, draw or furniture quit, just the soft glimmer of sunrise, polished marble, the and as the camera capture such moment each subtle with formal fabrics. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more comment below the iconic buttons. Thank you so much.